Everyone, hope you all are doing really well. Welcome to the English Academy. In this video, we are going to start chapter number 13 of the novel The Secret Garden by Frances Hodgson Burnett, and the chapter is I Am Colin. Before going towards explaining you the chapter, you all know that we will be having some difficult words. Here are those words which will be helpful for you to understand the story of the chapter well. So the first one is glimmer, shine faintly with the light. Second, brocade, a fabric woven with raised pattern. A gate, an ornamental stone consisting of a hard variety of chords. The next one is coolie, in a way that lacks friendliness. Peculiar, special, ceased, bring to end, mantelpiece, a structure above and around a fireplace, and the last one is grumbled, that is, make a low rumbling sound. I hope that these words will be helpful to you. Now, this is the time to find it out that who the colon is. If you remember when there was the introduction about the characters, there is a whole video on it. I explain you that Colin is Mr. Archibald Craven's son, and he is a bit unwell. So let's see that what is the chapter all about. This chapter introduced a young boy named Colin. One night during a storm, Mary heard crying in the house again. And let me clear you one thing, this is not the first time that Mary heard someone's cry, but there is a whole chapter on it that there is someone crying in the corridor, and Mary was about to find it out, but Martha came across. When Mary inquired about it, so Martha did not give any satisfying answer. Anyhow, this time again she heard someone's cry. Though everyone had denied the sound before, this time she followed it. She wandered down a corridor and opened a door to a room she never had seen before. There she found a sickly pale boy living in a large bed surrounded by books and medical equipment. The boy introduced himself. I am Colin, son of Mr. Craven. Mary was surprised to hear that. She was thinking that the heir of Misselthwaite Manor is kept hidden from anyone. He suffered from weakness and he thought that he will become a hunchback and die young, just like her mother. Actually, students, Colin's mother died when he was born, and he is now kept hidden in a bedroom that is wholly equipped with medical supplies and books. He does not comes out of his room because he thinks that he is going to die soon, and it was such a surprising situation for Mary that the ultimate heir of Misselthwaite Manor, because he is the only son of Mr. Archibald Craven, is kept in a bedroom. After some times, Mary and Colin were discussing things and life with frankness. Colin liked to listen Mary's fantasies and wanted Mary not to leave him. Mary told him about Secret Garden but requested him not to tell anyone so she can take him to there sometimes, and then they will grow there new plants and roses and will make garden alive. Students, it was the story of the chapter I Am Colin. Mary first came to know that someone who cries in the corridor is actually Colin. He is unwell. He thinks that he is hunchback and he will die young, same like as his mother. But Mary was very encouraged that she will bring Colin back to the life. She started to talk to him. Colin also likes it, and they discuss so many things together. Mary's fantasies make Colin excited, and he also wanted to listen Mary more. Mary told him about the secret garden and also promised Colin that they will go there together and will grow some new plants, roses and flowers. But Mary asked Colin that to keep a promise that he will not tell anyone about the secret garden. Now, the secret garden's secret is among three people. First one is Mary, Dickon, and now Colin is also included. So we will explore in the chapters ahead that how the journey to bring the secret garden to life again is going to be, along with Deacon, Mary and Colin. I hope that this chapter is clear to any everybody. And and still, if you have any query, you can ask me in comment section. And if you want to explore more about the secret garden, so you need to watch the videos that will be posted very soon on the channel. And if you want to get a story of the chapters previously done, all the videos are posted. You can watch the videos along with the introduction to the chapters and the characters. Till the next video, take care. Bye bye.